If you want to know how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok problem, you've come to the right place. So the steps are quite simple, but make sure to watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes. So I'm going to show you all the ways of how can we fix this problem, because sometimes it depends on your mobile type or something like this. The solutions could be a little bit different. So firstly, I'm going to show you how can we fix it from settings stuff. So we need to open our settings. On the iPhone it looks like this, on the Android it may look a little bit different, and here we need to scroll down till the very end to find TikTok among all the apps, and here we need to manage some of like app settings. So make sure that like TikTok has access to your photos, and here as you can see the second line says like allow photos access to all photos. Make sure that this like access in this position in all photos, or you can click on selected photos and you can select photos you'd like to add to TikTok directly. And also check does TikTok have access to your camera. So if it's like turned off, turn it on. And also you can try to check, do you have the same parameters as I do here on my device, because otherwise you won't be able to use like photo mode on your TikTok account. The next thing you need to do is that you need to open TikTok, and after that just simply try to create like something in photo mode. And if it still isn't available for you, you need to open your profile in the right bottom corner, and after that just simply click on more in the right top on these three lines here, and click on settings and privacy. So we'll come to our settings page, and here we need to scroll down till the very end, and as you can see we have like support and about area. Here we need to click on report a problem basically. So we'll come to the next page where we need to find the necessary topic we'd like to report about. In my case, I suggest you to click account and profile. So we'll come to the next page here, and basically we can click on editing like profile, form page somewhere here, and we need to find the most suitable topic as for us. I'm going to click on manage account basically, and also I would like to find something suitable as for us, but basically it doesn't matter, because in the end we'll come to the page. So I'm going to click on unable to change username or something like this. We need to click on no, and then we need to click on need more help. So we'll come to the page where we need to explain our feedback. So we need to write something like this. I need to fix my photo mode on TikTok. And after that we need to click on submit. We can also add some screenshots. You can show that it's unavailable as for you or something like this, and then just simply click on submit. After that, TikTok support team will receive your message, and probably they will fix this problem, so you don't have to like change something or do some other stuff, and all you need to do is just simply wait. And the last way I suggest you to check is that you can open settings, go to general, and then go to iPhone storage. So here we need to wait until everything will be uploaded, and after that we need to find TikTok once more, and here we need to like change something. So we need to find TikTok. It should be somewhere here, I guess. And basically we need to, I'm going to search for it. We need to open like its storage settings. We need to click on a flawed app, and after that click on reinstall. So basically we'll delete all the app data, but we'll keep its like login data and something like this. After that we need to reinstall, and we'll be able to find the latest version. You can also try to check for updates on your App Store or Play Market, and you need to make sure that you have the latest version. In this case, everything will be fixed and you'll have access to your photo mode on TikTok. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.